Hey everyone, how you all doing? I hope everything is well and fine with you. And so today we have another collector delight. So today I'm going to show you a bunch of single issue comics that I've picked up. These are mostly modern ones. Some days back I showed you a collection of a bunch of Bronze Age comics, and this one is the ones which followed after that. Like essentially the comics that I have today are the ones which are published after 1986, so that's why they are part of the modern age. So let's go through this bunch today, and if you like any of them, let me know so that I can do a special review for you guys. So enjoy. See the stash of comics in my table. All of these are coming up for you guys, so do subscribe and keep a tab of what I put up next. That's all. This is all for the love of comics. Okay, let's do this quick and fast. One of my favorite covers right up. This is Supergirl #1. I really love that cover, although there is no face to it. It also has a Batman, a Jokerized book on her hand. Really love this cover. It's I think from September of '96. Okay, the next one we have is a familiar one, which is Scooby-Doo from DC Cartoon Network series. I used to love Scooby-Doo when I was very small. Powerpuff Girl, of course, the Mayor, and Blossom, Buttercup, and Bubbles. I think those are the names. Again, another one, Powerpuff Girls. Townsville, they used to call it Townsville. A lot of old memories. Next one is Marvel Comics Mad Dog. The guy looks like Wolverine, and it's called Blood Trial. It looks like a fight between Wolverine and his nemesis. Kind of reminds me, but I think anyways it's by Marvel only, so they own the Wolverine rights as well. The next one is a pretty modern one, Firestorm. Firestorm is kind of like a integral part of Justice League nowadays. He has two souls within the same body. That's one thing which I still remember of him, and he's pretty powerful hero. He plays a big role in I think The Brightest Night. Okay, here we have Captain Planet and the Planeteers. This guy used to have the ring for the heart, right? I used to enjoy Captain Planet a lot when I was a kid. It used to be one of my favorite shows. It's good to have a comic book by that name. Next one is Thunderbolt, DC Comics. I have no clue who this guy is, but anyways. Next one is Toxic Crusaders. Just desserts from custard thing. Oh my god, I have no clue what that means. It looks like a very weird comic from the Marvel Comics group. You find all kind of oddities when you go and buy or get comics in a blind. This one is The Pirates at Dark Water. The quest continues. I have this is the number 3. I also have the number 1 here of Dark Water by Marvel Comics. It's from Hanna-Barbera, so I'm assuming it was a cartoon and then it got adapted to a comic book. But I have no clue watching this at any point in time. Impact Comics, Legend of the Shield. Looks like a ripoff of Captain America, right? So you find a lot of ripoffs from some of the popular characters. They all try to emulate the success, but not many were able to. This one is Superboy. Looks like he's caught up in some giant monster's mouth. Kind of like the character of Superboy. Has all this teenage issues that comes with him. Star Wars Droids. Oh, this is a pretty old one. I think you've shown this in the past as well. This is by Star Comics. Yeah, it's a Bronze Age one. Okay, we have Lobo. Used to love this character. The Heiress Conclusion, number 31. He's one weird guy. I also read a story about him and Batman in this book, which is right here, which is Batman Ghosts. There's a story where Batman and Lobo goes into a partnership. Very interesting one. Next one is Flash, Race Against Time Part 2, Speed Trap. Looks like there are multiple flashes in there with so many hands kicking the butt of the original Flash. Next one is Supergirl, a countdown tie-in. I am guessing this is a countdown to one of the crisis events. Love the cover. Okay, we have an Archie and Friends. Archie is history, part 1 of 2. Looks like a Mona Lisa. Oh, we have one right here which is actually looks like a Mona Lisa kind of thing. Veronica. Interesting one there. Those two. Next one is Vigilante. I have no clue who is the character. Okay, this is the character it seems. This is the first one. Number 2. I think I have the number 1 also. Somewhere, not with me right now. Next one is Legion 92. So many of these comics I have no clue if this is important, what does the story hold, nothing. The next one I do, which is Batman Superman New 52, right? One short story, so I loved it. You could see the Batman's brain and then you could see Atom and Superman. That gives you a clue into the story if you can guess. Next one is Marvel Fanfare. You can see Doctor Strange there. I think he is the central character of this one from Marvel Comics Group. Okay, we have Demon versus Robin, the boy monster. So that's the demon. For those of you guys who don't know, his name is Etrigan. Etrigan the demon, and that is Robin. Looks like a werewolf turned werewolf kind of thing. Interesting. And this is, by the way, part of the Demon series, not the Robin series. It's from DC Demon pages. Next one is an Image comic, Boof. 1 July. I don't know if it's a number 1. Next one we have is called Impulse. It's kind of like a teenage Flash. The shattering conclusion to Mercury falling. Impulse. These are all guys part of Teen Titans. So that's it guys. I think the last 4 are basically some comics, old comics called Sad Sack. I have not much of a clue. It's army humor is what I could understand, although I've not read any of this before. Gops and Galls. Interesting one. It's pretty old, 20 cents, 30 cents. So that means it's pretty old. Again, another Sad Sack. Need to have a dive in to see what exactly this ones contain. Again, Sad Sack's Army Life Parade. So that's the bunch of comics I wanted to show you today. These are all my single issue hauls in these times of COVID. I hope you really liked it, and if any of you want any of these comics exchange or for sale, let me know, so I will be happy to do so. So until next time, if you enjoyed it, please do subscribe and watch out for more.